leaders are relationship oriented. Before you become a manager, your job is to be the best version of you. Execute, execute, execute. Would you agree? Yes? Reliably, work hard, go above and beyond. When you become a leader, just because you're a good football player doesn't mean you're a great coach. Different skill. Now your role is to help other people be the best version of them. My 3 outcomes are...
So I found this workshop very incredible and amazing. So I have learned a lot from throughout these workshops. So the key takeaway that I actually learned from this workshop is that I learned how to be emotional intelligence, and also the learning agility, as well as the how to be a great leaders. So after these workshops, I'm going to back to my company. I'm going to share and inspire my whole team, include all the members that I know in Hoya. So I'm going to inspire them and have a great success.
The energy has been high, from the get-go, from the first day to even the last minute, when we're living this workshop. And the connections are so well built that it's really out of my expectation that I'm able to remember all 24 names, because you're connecting, very, very little things that we have shared or experienced within these 3 days. And there's a lot of learnings that we can bring back to work, to our family, to our friends, about setting the sail, about making the best out of the situation, having positive mindset to overcome challenges, and learning about coping mechanism if you have self-doubts, if you have confidence issue, if you have difficulty motivating your team, or even coaching your team. So this is definitely a well-deserved 3 days. I would definitely encourage and recommend people to attend, especially managers who want to become leaders.
I think this is really a very different leadership training that I have attended before. Out of the 3 days courses, there's a lot to bring home, a lot of things. I think I was amazed by the energy level, both the amazing trainer, Dom, and as well as Andy. They managed to engage the participants very, very well. And this is a very fun activities in the class that really inspire you. So I strongly encourage whoever looking for advancement, be it leading yourself, leading others, or leading a team, come to join this class. You will never regret, and it's not any trainings that out there. It's really different, and yeah, please come and enjoy it.